Here we have a question based on the similarity of triangles. There are three lines A, B, C, D and E, F, which are all parallel to one another. Now the measurement of some of the lines are given, two of them are missing. Remember, all the measurements are in centimeters. So once you find the answer, remember to put the centimeter also. Now what we have to find is the value of x and y. So shall we start with y? Can you find two triangles whose similarity you can prove? What about these two triangles? Which all corresponding angles can you prove to be equal? There is a common vertex here. So the vertically opposite angles will be equal to one another. These two are two parallel lines, which means what? The alternate interior angles also you will get. So therefore all the three angles you can prove to be equal to their corresponding angles. But remember, when you write the name of the similar triangles, make sure you get the order right. The place where you see B, there you should write E. Where you see A, write F there, because that is the equal angle. Where you see D, write D here. So your the triangle, the similar triangles are BAD and EFD, not FDE. So once we prove that these two triangles are similar, then what follows? The ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, which means what? First two sides here, second two sides, all the ratios are equal. So once we prove that these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Now which all values do we know? Here BA, we know it is 6, EF, we know it is 10, and what do we need to find? We are trying to find what DE is. Here it comes. This is Y. Do we know what BD is? It is 4. So there you have what? 6 by 10 is equal to 4 by Y, which means Y is equal to 20 by 3. So this is the value of Y. Now that we know the value of y, let us move on to x. Now if you see that x is in the middle of three parallel lines, so you can choose any one line and consider two similar triangles. Now which one of these two lines will you choose? Tell me which line will be convenient, A, B or E, F. It is coming in the middle of both of these parallel lines, right? So which line will you choose? Which one will be convenient? If you let go of AB and just consider these two lines, you will see that you have just two known values. That is not enough. If you want to express it as a ratio, you need at least three known values. So don't let go of AB. Instead, let go of FE. So there, let go of FE, get rid of all the unwanted lines, and then you get such a neat figure. And you get what? Two triangles. A bigger one, BAE, a smaller one, DCE. Are they similar? They are. Why is that? You have an common angle E. Then what? You have alternate interior angles also. Therefore, by the AAA criterion, we have what? We have two similar triangles, which means what? The ratio of their sides is also equal. But how many of those values do we know? Let us check that out. We know BA is 6. We don't know DC. That is what we have to find. And then whose values do we know? BE. We know what is BD and we know what is DE. Together it gives what? It will give you 32 by 3. So your BE is actually 32 by 3 and your DE is actually what? 20 by 3. And both the denominators get cancelled and you get such an equation. So there, this is the value that we are looking for, 15 by 4, and as I said, please remember to put the centimeters on both the answers. So that is all for today. You take care till we meet again. Assalamu alaikum.